Welcome to another tutorial on Do-It-Yourself Easy. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to create a table of contents in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Here, I have a Microsoft Word document on project management organized into chapters. Before we begin setting up the table of contents, we need to format our titles using heading styles so they appear correctly. To do this, go to the Home tab and find the Styles section. Now we'll choose heading styles based on the document's hierarchy. For example, I'll apply Heading 1 to Chapter 1 and Chapter 2, as these are our main sections. I'll use Heading 2 for the other main titles, and for pros and cons, I'll apply Heading 3. To apply a style, simply select the text, choose the appropriate heading, and Word will automatically adjust the formatting. Once we've assigned heading styles to each section, I'll quickly go through each title to ensure they're formatted correctly. I'll speed up this part to save time. Now that formatting is complete, we're ready to create our table of contents. Go to the References tab, click on Table of Contents, and select the first option. As you can see, Word has generated a table of contents for us. If you want to change the style, such as replacing the dots with a solid line, go back to Table of Contents. Click on Custom Table of Contents and adjust the tab leader options. I'll select a straight line for this example. In this case, I'd also like to apply a more formal format for better alignment and presentation of the table content. Once everything is set, we'll press OK to finalize the table of contents. If you later need to add a new chapter, like Chapter 3, simply type the title, go to the Home tab, and apply Heading 1. Then, return to the Table of Contents, click Update Table, choose Update Entire Table, and press OK. The new chapter will automatically be added. Another thing that I would like to highlight before I go to the next chapter of our video is that, as you can see, the pro and cons titles are not added to this table content, and the reason is because the Table of Contents level for Heading 4 is not included. To fix this, go to the Costume Table of Content again, press Option, and in the TOC level for Heading 4, add 4 and press OK, and you will see how the table content will add those titles. For the second method, we'll create a manual table of contents. Here, I've typed out the titles myself. Now, in order to add indentation to the titles, select the main titles and go to Home tab, and in Paragraph press Increase Indent. After that, select Pro and Cons and do the same. Once you have finished with the indentation, let's add dot leaders manually by selecting all the titles. Go to the Layout tab, right-click on Paragraph Settings, and select Tabs at the bottom. In the Tabs dialog, set the first position at 16 and choose alignment to the right and dots as the leader. Then, press Set. Next, to create a gap between the dots and the page number, add another tab at 16.5. Set alignment to right and choose None for the leader. Press Set again and OK. Now go to each title, press Tab, and type the page number. This method gives you more flexibility to manually adjust the layout of your table of contents. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.